My hobby. My favorite hobby is drawing. I like to draw pictures of animals, flowers, and my family. I use colors, pencils, and crayons to make my drawings beautiful. Drawing makes me feel happy and relaxed. Sometimes, I draw pictures for my friends and teachers. I also like to paint with watercolors and make colorful pictures. When I finish a drawing, I feel proud of my work. My parents always encourage me to keep drawing every day. I learn new ideas and improve my skills by practicing often. Drawing is my favorite hobby, and I love spending time doing it.